Hello team, welcome back. It's Thursday, June 13. I'm back home and I don't think I'm gonna leave for a while. Well, I leave tomorrow to be honest, but I come back Sunday, so video wise I'm gonna be around for at least a couple weeks, 3 weeks. Consistently. Okay, we got more news today. So yesterday FOMC was the real one. Today we have a PPI. Okay. So all the fun is in New York, and yesterday we moved a lot. So I don't expect an exciting London session. Also, I don't know about you, but when such big news are around, I think I would rather wait for London close to take some side. I'm gonna explain you why now. Let me see if there is something else on these calendars. Yeah, it's just New York. London is dead. London session, I mean. Okay, so let's start with item frame. I was checking the charts and look at this. Monthly is kind of compressing, you know. I mean, volatility is going down. We went from 800 pips moves to 200 pip moves. Okay, I mean 200 pips is still like a lot, but you know, it's undecisive and there is no direction on a monthly level. I always say that I want item frame to go down, but right now they're just like I think it's distribution. This looks to me like distribution, you know. Anyway, weekly start to look more bearish than usual. This bearish raid, the way they close the weekly, this double raid top here, the way that they double raid twice this swing high make me really bearish. Also, this was a valid bearish order block that sent the chart down of this swing low. Can you see it? And now they read it twice and rejected. I think we need to go down. I think this is a weak low, clearly a weak low. And it needs to go at some point soon. You know, it failed to make new high. It got rejected twice. We distributed, and now it need to go. I don't know when, because we are on a weekly. It can take 3 weeks. You know. Anyway, daily is a little bit more confusing because we got a top raid and a low raid. This is an high resistance liquidity round. You see how much time we spent here. This is like a lot of price action. Let me see. It's like, yeah, almost 10 days, 8 days. And now we pushed. And if you think about on daily level, you shouldn't touch anything here. You know, if you are one of those traders that are waiting for daily bias, you know, like people say like, no, I need a daily array, SA. How do you say? I don't know, ICT, whatever it say. You call like, no, you need the daily bias in order to trade. Yeah, if you are one of those traders, you should just sit out until clarity, because right now we are at the 50% of this level and there is no direction, you know. I mean, it went down, then yesterday went up, so who knows? Who knows what they're gonna go? I don't see any reason to become too bearish right now. I want them to go down. I'm telling you, I want them to go down. But right now we are at the 50% and it feels like a gamble. Unless you are like an item frame trader and you trade like this, I don't know. Maybe, because this is the real of the block. And you do something like this, maybe. You got filled yesterday, you don't touch it, and you get 1 hour to this low. You know what I mean? Because this is the bearish of the block, the big fat candle, as Michael used to say. So yeah. Okay, let's go to hourly charts. So we got rejected by this breaker, which is a beautiful support turned into resistance. But the real bearish origin that sent the chart down on H4 is still untested, and I can see them somehow going here before sending down, you know. I wouldn't be so surprised of seeing something like that. This is now mitigated, This is untested. So as I say, gun to my head, I think we need to go down. I think we need to go lower. This is just a pullback. At least to my eyes, looks like a pullback. But for me to get involved, I need some sign of bearishness in premium, you know. So something like this will be awesome. Imagine you come back up here, print a double top, big raid in the untested origin, and then we're going down. Something like this will be amazing for me. This will be like a top AAA play. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at, and I don't think I want to touch anything. Yesterday, I'm gonna be honest with you, I took like a small win, which turned in a sad win because I wasn't fun. I saw this curve, which usually I don't take trades based on curve counter, you know, because this was just a slowing down curve. But then I saw that it was an H12 raid here. Let me go on a clean chart. It was an H12 raid here, you know. There was this double BMS on H1. I think 1 and 2. And then here, there was an M15 and 15. So I take this trade, M15 and 15 for 1 hour. I TP'd here, 1.2, something like this. I TP here, and then I check the charts in the afternoon. And it went, and this skyrocket. But yeah, whatever. It is what it is. I think I could have aimed to the gap, the Sunday gap. You know, this was a legit trade. 3R was a legit trade. Instead, I've chicken out and took 1 hour because to me felt counter. So I don't have regrets. Also, I was not computer. I didn't have clarity. I don't care. It's okay. 1 hour a week, I will be the happiest man on earth. So I was saying the curve was slowing down, and now we are back in premium. That said, I don't like this liquidity. I don't like these stops. I wouldn't take shorts here. Also, look at this. We are literally in 4 pip range. Why would anybody try to trade this? Come on, unless you are an M1 player or I don't know. This is 8 pips. If you trade here, you are a gambler, to my eyes. Then you do whatever you want. So there is liquidity here. I don't know. I would love them to go higher and take these stupid people that tried to short yesterday after FOMC and then die lower euro. You know. Anyway, that's enough for me for today with the video. Sorry, maybe it was too long. I'm not going to touch any trade until after New York Open and the news say something. Okay, I speak to you tomorrow, and I will post more chats later. Bye.